What's up, everybody? It's Alex, the founder and CEO at Motoroso.com, your dedicated mods marketplace. And today we're in studio to take a quick look at the Mishimoto oil catch can for the 2015 and up S550 Mustang GT with the Coyote 5-liter engine, which we have just upgraded to a stage 2 supercharger, and we're going to be pushing almost 800 wheel horsepower. We're doing a bunch of Mishimoto cooling modifications. We'll put a link to that video in the description. And of course, we're going to make installation guide videos for all this stuff that we're doing. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and check all of that out. Now you can buy your Mishimoto products, of course, at Motoroso.com, where you can browse over 1 million top name brand products. And you can reach us there on live chat or call us at 1-833-MOTOROSO, which is 833-668-6767. And of course, toll free. Let's dig in. First off, why do you even need an oil catch can? Well, especially on forced induction engines, but on all engines, there's an issue called blow-by, which is oil that sneaks past the piston rings and can ultimately end up in the air intake system, and this can cause your octane levels to get messed up. It can cause buildup on your intake valves, it can cause detonation, and in general can cause damage and make the thing not run as well as you'd like it to. So an oil catch can goes on the PCV system and helps separate the oil out of the air, and that's where the Mishimoto oil catch can comes in. Now this is a really simple system and it comes with everything you need to install, and we'll show you how to install it in the installation guide video. But it comes with the hoses, which are quick disconnect fittings, plug and play. It comes with the mounting plate, and it comes with this machined aluminum catch can itself, which not only looks cool, but it's also clearly very, very high quality. And the way that that works itself is it has a little air turbulence plate in there to help shake up the air. And then it has a 50 micron bronze filter, which helps filter that oil out of the air and get clean air moving back out of the catch can. It holds 3 ounces, which keeps long service intervals, meaning you only have to check it every once in a while, but it's a very easy system to maintain, very simple system as far as it works, but it's gonna help protect your engine and get the maximum performance. Now, of course, as I mentioned, you can hit us up at Motoroso.com. Kit will set you back around $200, and you can call us at 1-833-MOTOROSO anytime you like. Thanks for watching.